What's up, guys? So, got the exhaust back in. Going to try to fabricate the heat shield for the, I say custom cold air intake, but whatever. I know I already have the factory heat shield that's going back down in there, but now I want to make another heat shield that allows air to flow through it and down, but you know, the air coming from this and the fan will cool the air intake. We'll see if that works. I don't know. I cut this so that I could put it back together if necessary. It's not a big concern because your air box hangs here anyways, so it's supported. So I can just put a 3-inch coupler back on this for the factory settings if that's what I want to go to. So, but I mean, you got more flow from the exhaust, so you need more flow for the air intake as well, and that's what I'm shooting for. So that's where I'm at, waiting on the tune to come back, and she'll be popping.